Got all them decks before you get to the front of the ship.
Yeah. Can we even get to the bottom of it?
Nah.
We're at the top.
The bottom, I think that's the
Reserve.
you can't get there, yeah. That might have to do all with the crew.
Maybe. My phone fall down there, yeah. I said my phone fall down. When I put it up there, I had it over the glass. You were the last of me and the trip.
Exit path, exit Miller, is one exit.
You still stay in the boat, but you won't get to get it. The guy's maintenance.
That is like a plane. Me check the length of the wings of the.
It's from them, the technology of the aircraft.
Yeah. You see? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
And when they stop and they close, you see. Yeah. What restaurant are we? The technology.
Whoa. The wings are huge. Okay, you're doing your thing, girl. Oh boy.
The bird is putting on a show.
Yeah. It's serenading us. It is, look.
You know, I can see that ship going in there.
We're so much closer now.
Huh?
Huh? You see like it too big?
I'm seeing the ship look too big to go inside.
It looks that way. Yeah, that looks small for real.
I guess they're gonna have to come with the. They gotta dock somewhere once you get out, right?
We going in. They must be measured us already.
Yeah. We got to turn, come back. We probably see that's a little spot.
Because of how where we are, we see it like that. Okay, guys, we're going in between, I think, the red and the green peak right now. We're closer. Check the red flag. We dead middle, yeah? But it doesn't seem that way. They have some sort of precision. The streets are already busy. The people don't sleep here. What's the time now? Is the same time? Or we change time?
Nice.
Same time?
9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock.
Okay, makes sense. It's Tuesday. People are going to work. You see, as I missed the taking off from Los Angeles, I missed it. I went downstairs to get something for my phone because it was about to die. And when I got back up on the deck, yeah, I was so upset.
They're just putting up a building right there. The Mexicans, they building well.
Yo, it's way bigger than the camera make it looks.
It's a huge bird.
Like, what type of bird is that? It's way bigger.
And you see the beak when they go down on the water and they see little
Stuff,
fish.
yeah. I know they be eating them fish.
We fed the boat and when it's between that thing.
Oh yeah, it passed along and what's the big amount of space from the green to here? So we cannot see the red point, but
Right.
I'm assuming there must be a good distance. But we still don't look like we anchor in here.
Yeah, you don't know where. It's for sure it's not over there.
So it might be on this side as opposed to here. I don't know.
Because it look like this guy is working construction happening there.
Yeah.
See that
Right
dash?
there. Yeah, on that.
All that on that side.
All that too.
They're working on that. I think that's why the water is so dirty. They
Yeah.
must have dig
To
to
put
get
the
the
poles
harbor.
and stuff.
Yeah, for the harbor. So I think we must be docking. Who knows? I can't even see where the green thing is.
Maybe on that side. I don't
Because
know.
we'd have to get out somewhere. I can't see nothing there. Going through a building. Because that's taking you straight into the road, man.
That's true. So we're not going through any building. We're going flat down.
From what I can see.
Yeah.
If he's over there,
Maybe through the building. I didn't even see that vintage looking ship over there.
yeah.
See?
I see it. Them birds, they know about them boats, man.
Yeah.
When them boats come in, they come looking for the food. So that's so many of them there.
It's like they're so excited.
I see none of them rest on the line yet, huh?
They're smart. We're going in much slower now. You see the speed decrease?
Yeah, much slower.
And again, if they don't, they probably break from ever since at the back.
Yeah.
If they don't, the kind of energy, the kind of acceleration we come in there, we mash them.
That she's going all the way on the breaking up.
Yeah, for sure. They have to like.
Somebody was saying they break, what, a whole hour?
Yeah, that's what I was told. A whole hour before.
It makes sense because look at how, since we're here, we probably have 10 minutes since we're here.
Yeah,
And that just cleared the two things.
Yeah,
from
remember
it.
it used to was going very fast before. So you can definitely see.
But I could see why the water is dirty because definitely you can see.
The work they're doing.
Yeah. They must have dug all here. Make it deeper for the boat to come in.
Because by the looks of it, it's really shallow.
Yeah.
That's what I was asking Auntie before we came upstairs. If this cruise can dock into Nusha, because this boat just looks so huge. And she told me, yeah. She told me it's just as big as the one she been on.
They have their space. From what I hear, it's a special person. Look at people lower down. Unless
Yeah,
it's,
look somebody right there.
unless it's part of the crew. Not like them officials and
Yeah,
stuff.
probably.
Yeah, they have their own space, the pilots and all their crew.
Yeah, but somebody's definitely down there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look, another lady there.
Yeah. Unless there's a special entrance that we don't know about. Because I saw a guy, look, somebody have a camera too. I asked a guy and he told me there's a door to open and you can go and see. That might be the closest one at a lower.
Yeah. They have no glass, so
No
you can,
glass, yeah.
you get a better video.
You just have to
But
lower.
look that circle there, that they're like, where the captain thing is, man.
It's just lower though.
Yeah. It's not bad here, the glass not dirty. We're way closer.
Look at the yachts. All the yachts. The yacht's not on the water, you know. All the yachts packed over there. To come
That's
through that channel and then go out.
I just see it. Yeah. All of them over there. Yeah. Almost there.
Liverpool. Yeah. Mexico, Liverpool.
Liverpool.
The traffic. Yeah, some small cars too. From what I can see.
I can't even see where the West Inn is anymore. What I was?
It was on this side. We passed by.
What?
So you could see the
I
distance,
didn't
right?
even, yes.
Yeah.
West Inn dissipate like without me even noticing. Look at Walmart over there. Straight here, Walmart.
Yeah. Can you imagine when you're here and it's just like you're in Castridge and you say, okay, let's go to Unforgettable, let's go to Sulphur, let's go to...
Yeah.
Are you driving through that place?
I think it's going between these two stuff here, maybe.
So people
Oh, it's
could
turning
turn.
around.
I think I more believe it's over there, probably turning and ducking
I think
on that
it's
side.
turning around.
Because I see no activity for us to download. Because between
I
these
think
two
on them
things right
red
now-
things we're going to be potting all the way. I don't know. Maybe we're taking the whole space between here, the other side, like the triangle here, here, and here.
So far the way I see that must be the only boat coming in today.
I don't think nothing else can come after that though.
After that dock, right?
A little one here.
That's the one coming and boost up the economy for a couple hours. We had till what is it, 9 tonight or something like that?
Yeah, I think so.
That's 12 hours more. At least they have a lot of time. So I'm sure sometimes 8 hours behind for some of these things.
So you have to rush.
Yeah.
So I tell her, Auntie, if we ever go to St. Lucia on a cruise, when I reach by the ship, I'll say, Auntie, y'all go.
Oh yeah, I'm not going to know. You and Ocean, when you reach in
I said,
is that the only one to go?
yeah, I said, wait now. Y'all don't wait for me.
Yeah, it's 8 hours again. Shit. Like, in my case, I want to go to
I was
Lakewood.
like, Caekira, where are you?
That's 2 hours for me to travel, 1 hour to go, 1 hour to come back.
Yo, that time I home there with my mother and thing.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
When I see no try, no talk.
By the time you reach all the way down, Mikud,
Yeah.
what you getting to do?
Now you go and see your people, you go and eat some food and
Yeah, but to bust right away, like, nah.
once you get out of the boat, man, the first half hour, you reach in there within the next hour. The guys to drive from Caekira to Mikud, if it's not traffic or something that delay you, 40 minutes them boys in Mikud. The way
They
these
drive
guys
really
drive
fast for sure.
40 minutes you over.
You see we turn in? Because check where the head of the ship is.
Yeah. Look like
We so close to that thing though.
we seen it close.
But sure, it might be a good distance.
But you know what, as I said,
I feel like I can swim from here to there. Yeah, it just feels so close.
as we said, the way that thing is, it says somebody, the most skillful person that going and pack that thing.
That's what I tell you.
Right now it's in the hands of the most skillful pilot.
I tell
And
you,
they do that-
precision for sure.
They do that all the time, so it's like right now is the computer and everything that's
Everything they're
up on-
checking the
yeah.
area there. Because you see they have all these pointers.
I know for sure we're not going inside there.
Nah, you think it can pass through there? I doubt.
That thing going this way.
I think we're going in from the, we're reversing in there, maybe.